Stylish lake, expansive waterfront on a plush level lot. Sprawling maintenance-free deck overlooking the lake. Slider leads you into the open floor plan. Living room is open to dining with LV gray washed flooring and views to fireplace. Designer kitchen whitewood cabinetry. Cinder island for informal dining offers stainless appliances. Carrera granite countertops. Polished gold accent lighting adds to the chic decor. First floor bonus room off the living room with accented barn doors offers privacy for an office or bedroom and a luxury full bath with walk-in glass surround shower over porcelain stone flooring. Oak staircase leads to second floor offering spacious master suite over LV flooring. Tremendous details found in this relaxing spa-inspired master bath with handcrafted freestanding porcelain soaking tub over Carrera marble flooring and an open glass enclosed multi-head shower. 2 additional spaces bedrooms and in third stylish full bath. Enjoy this sleek stylish turnkey home with opportunity to purchase furnished and enjoy all 4 seasons as this lake life is more than just boating and swimming. Year-round fishing, fall leaf peeking, winter ice for skating, cross-country skiing, snowmobiles and early spring boating about to enjoy restaurants, sunrises and sunsets. Additional features of the region offer hiking/biking trails, nearby golf/tennis and spa resort. Major ski resort at Mountain Creek. Local NJ Transit train/bus just 30 minutes to Morristown, 1 hour to NYC.